India is reaching for the stars with a bold new plan building its own space station by 2035. This project marks a new era for Indian space technology and national pride. It's more than a scientific goal. It's a dream for over 1 billion people, inspiring the next generation of scientists and engineers. Led by ISRO, the mission builds on past successes like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan, showing India's readiness for bigger challenges. A space station means India can conduct long-duration experiments in medicine, materials, science, and climate research. It will create jobs, boost the economy, and showcase India's capabilities to the world. The station will be a platform for innovation, encouraging new ideas and technologies. Young Indians will look up and see their country's flag in space, fueling new dreams. This vision for 2035 is a beacon of progress and determination. The journey will be tough, but the rewards, scientific, economic, and inspirational, are immense. India's space station is about building a future where the nation plays a key role in humanity's expansion into space. It's a symbol of hope, ambition, and self-reliance. A new dream for a new India. A national space station gives India true independence in space research. With its own station, India sets its own research agenda and timelines, focusing on studies that directly benefit its people. Building and operating the station will develop advanced technologies and strengthen India's self-sufficiency. The station enhances national security, providing continuous Earth observation and supporting disaster management. It also boosts India's diplomatic standing, allowing the nation to lead international collaborations on its own terms. Hosting astronauts and experiments from friendly nations will strengthen global partnerships. India will be an equal partner, not just a participant, in global space exploration. This project elevates India's status as a responsible and capable space power. ISRO's vision for the Bharatiya Antariksha Station is ambitious yet practical. The first module, about 20 tons, will launch by 2035, providing basic living and working space for 1 or 2 astronauts. Placed in low Earth orbit, the station will feature docking ports for crew and cargo vehicles and areas for scientific experiments. Advanced robotics will handle maintenance, while large solar arrays generate power. Robust communication systems will keep the station connected to Earth. ISRO is developing in-space manufacturing and modular expansion for future growth. The design prioritizes astronaut safety, operational efficiency, and flexibility. Over time, more modules, including international ones, can be added. ISRO learns from global experience but innovates for India's unique needs. The Bharatiya Antariksha Station will stand as a testament to Indian ingenuity. It's just the beginning of a new era in Indian space exploration. The Gaganyaan mission is the foundation for India's space station dream. Gaganyaan will send Indian astronauts, Vyomanauts, into orbit, testing vital technologies for human spaceflight. The mission includes a human-rated launch vehicle, a habitable crew module, and life support systems. Experience from Gaganyaan will directly inform the design and operation of the space station. Vyomanauts training covers spacecraft operations, emergencies, and survival, setting the standard for future crews. Gaganyaan also builds the ground infrastructure needed for human missions. Lessons learned will improve future longer space station missions. This mission is more than a milestone. It's the launchpad for India's continuous human presence in space. Gaganyaan proves ISRO's readiness for complex human missions. It's the first step toward an Indian home in space. India's space station project draws lessons from the International Space Station and China's Tiangong. The ISS is a massive multinational effort, while Tiangong shows how a nation can build a modular station step by step. India's approach will likely start independently, focusing on national goals before expanding international collaboration. ISRO's reputation for cost-effective innovation, seen in missions like Mangalyaan, will shape the station's design. The Bharatiya Antariksha Station will deliver maximum scientific value for its investment, focusing on research areas vital to India and the developing world. Innovation is key. ISRO may develop advanced life support, efficient power systems, and novel robotics. By learning from the challenges of the ISS and Tiangong, India can design a robust, sustainable station. The goal isn't to match the ISS in size, but to build a smart, efficient platform for decades of research. India's station will reflect its unique strengths and priorities. It's about building a future-ready, resilient outpost in space. The project will set new benchmarks for frugal engineering and scientific impact. India's space station will be a model for emerging space nations. It's a leap toward global leadership in space technology. Building a space station is a massive challenge for ISRO. Reliable life support systems must provide air, water, and food for long missions while managing waste in a closed environment. In-orbit assembly requires precise maneuvering and docking of modules. Ensuring constant power and robust communication is critical. Regular cargo and crew transport demand a dependable supply chain and launch vehicles. Space debris and traffic management add operational complexity. Financially, the project needs sustained investment and careful resource management. Public support and clear communication of benefits are essential. Geopolitical dynamics and international regulations require diplomatic skill. ISRO must also demonstrate responsible space behavior and meet global standards. Overcoming these technical, logistical, financial, and political challenges is key to success. The journey will test ISRO's ingenuity and resolve. The Bharatiya Antariksha Station will be a hub for groundbreaking research. Microgravity enables unique experiments in material science, leading to new alloys and crystals. Human biology studies will reveal how space affects the body, helping develop treatments for diseases like osteoporosis. Long-term research on biomanauts will prepare India for future deep space missions. The station's vantage point allows advanced Earth observation, aiding agriculture, disaster management, and climate monitoring. Astronomy experiments will expand our understanding of the universe. The station will test new technologies, robotics, sensors, and life support systems with applications on Earth. It will inspire students to pursue STEM careers, fueling India's innovation pipeline. The station is a platform for both science and education. It's about pushing boundaries and unlocking new possibilities. India's research in space will benefit the nation and the world. While India aims for self-reliance, its space station opens doors for global collaboration. India can invite scientists and astronauts from friendly nations, strengthening diplomatic ties and sharing expertise. The station could offer research opportunities to countries without their own space programs, promoting South-South cooperation. This aligns with India's philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Commercial opportunities may emerge, from research modules to private astronauts and space tourism. The station could generate revenue and support India's growing space economy. ISRO's encouragement of private sector participation will drive innovation. India's leadership in space governance will help shape global rules for safe, sustainable operations. The station is a platform for international partnership and responsible space stewardship. It's a step toward making space accessible and beneficial for all. The Bharatiya Antariksha Station is a symbol of India's ambition and progress. Its success will inspire millions, especially the youth, to dream big and pursue science and technology. The project will drive innovation in robotics, AI, and materials science, boosting India's industrial capacity. It will create high-tech jobs and nurture a skilled workforce. The station is a catalyst for technological self-reliance and a knowledge-based economy. Experience gained will pave the way for future missions to the Moon and Mars. The station is a vital part of India's long-term vision for space exploration. It will solidify India's standing as a major spacefaring nation. The journey to 2035 will be demanding, but the rewards, scientific, economic, and inspirational, are immense. The Bharatiya Antariksha Station represents India's bright future in space and its contribution to humanity's quest for knowledge.